All right. Yes. Welcome. Yes. Sometimes I always tell you that I create most of these hairstyles, and trust me, I can tell like where I get them from, but it's just according to how I feel, and then I just do them. So now this time around, we are going to be doing the mini bohem, and this is how we do it. She was asking like, how do I hold everything puff, and yet she wants her forehead to be hidden. So this is what we're going to see when we are done with everything. Let's
Hi there, my name is Maurice Ramramba, aka Maurice the Crochet Master, and I am a professional hairstylist. If you have enjoyed all my various works over the years, please consider joining my Patreon community. I share weekly updates on how all my creative projects in the hair, makeup, and beauty industry are coming along, and any contribution towards them is greatly appreciated. Cheers, Maurice Ramramba, aka Maurice the Crochet Master.
Maurice, the Crochet Master.
All right. Yes. Welcome. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and guys, I've been missing you a lot, and thank you so much for those ones who are subscribing. Yes, I'm still welcoming all the return subscribers. Yes, you're most welcome. So we are going to be seeing on how to do the mini bohem, and this time around, this is the simplest hairstyle that you can even do if it's a DIY. I think you can do it. Yes, firstly, we have to first with our inside corners. That is the must. We need to do the inside corners, and I always tell you that the inside corners last longer than other corners. Trust me, I've done these, and at least I got the experience of doing the upper the upper one and the inside one, so I know that this one lasts longer because of when the hair grows from inside. So we're going to be seeing on how to do the mean bohem, and trust me, this is creativity, and mostly I consider those people who are always on brush hours and they don't like they don't have time of they don't have time of maintaining the hair, or like they just have to wake up and they spray they're good to go. So this is what I had to get for you, and mostly those people with still long foreheads and weak hairlines. Yes, you can still have this hairstyle because I designed it in that it is permanent. Yes, no need to overstyle it. Like most cases, like why our hair breaks, it's because one, there are times when we plait a lot of hair on our head, and when we're trying to style them, or maybe like to hold them at night when we're going to sleep, it becomes uncomfortable for us, and then there we have to overhold, then it brings the tension that brings the breakage of the hairline. And another thing is sometimes like the overstyling. You find someone has got a weak hairline, but she keeps on overstyling. Have like 3 days of is styling, or every 3 days you just keep on styling. Trust me, your hair is not going to stay well. It will have to break. And then another thing is to put a lot of tension, like those people who are like, for those ones who braid or maybe who dread, and you find someone is feeling a lot of pain. Trust me, whenever you feel pain, just know there's something somewhere that is making that pain to come out. So now when you wake up and start doing that holding it or maybe styling it, trust me, it will break. So when we are done with our cornrows, that is a pathway, we are going to be crocheting our crochet, and this is how we're supposed to crochet it. Trust me, it is as simple as possible, and I know you can also do this. And firstly, those ones who keep on asking me the same question this time around, I'm going to try to put them in my description. Right now I'm using the soft kinky, and this is what this is how it looks, the soft kinky. So when we're done with that, we are going to be using like two types of hair extensions as we are winding up with our hairstyle. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I told you that at least every week I have to upload something that is good for you, and this channel is the channel that is full of different types of hairstyle, that even those ones that you don't know. I like creativity. I like creating things that maybe others don't do, so that my clients can always be unique, and this is what I have to get for them. So if you haven't done it, please, I know you can even do it on a DIY. You can do this and you make it right. So let's get on and see how we're supposed to. So number one, when we are doing this, you don't need to pack it, like as I've been explaining to you, that most of the crochet that we're doing, you need to pack it, overpack it, see that yes, the head is coming out very well. So this is the same thing that I'm trying to crochet here, but for this you don't overpack it at all. You just you overspace it, even you overspace, because we are going to add there are two extensions that we have to do. And remember, for me, I told you, whenever I'm plating my clients, and even I've been teaching my people what we're supposed to do, we don't allow to put a lot of things on someone's head. We don't believe in that. Yes, if it's a lot, that means there is still a problem somewhere that is going to cause your hair to break. So when we are done with everything, now you see I'm trying to hold a puff. And when you're saying I'm holding a puff, very careful. Like most of you guys know that holding a puff is that simple, but trust me, it is not simple at all. That's why most people, when it comes to now holding a puff like this, it becomes really very, very hard for them, and sometimes it might bring the tensions to bring to cause the breakage of the hairline. You understand? So you have to hold a puff as gentle as possible. So when I'm done with that, I have to cut this off. I know my client is very nervous, like she doesn't know what is going on, and she doesn't know what I'm going to plait her. So that's what she's feeling. That's why she's feeling. But trust me, I'm gonna make it right to see that she love the hair. So now as we're starting, we are trying now to put another extension, and this time around we are using the spring twist. Yes, we are using this color, and yes, there are a lot of colors. You can use the maroon, you can use everything, can be used of, but yeah, still depends on someone's work. So every color can be done here on top. So, yes, so as we are doing it, you can see how it is coming out, and how we are trying to make it right this way. So let's join me together as we're doing this. And please, if you have any question that you'd like to ask, it is very simple. Go in my comment section, tell me what you feel about this hairstyle. I'll be there to answer you. So like, yes, this is what I got for you, and you can see how it looks. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and just know I love you so much. And please, trust me, we do videos every week, and this is what I got for you today. Bye bye, see you guys. May God bless you all.